Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hi, this is Avneet. So today we're gonna do this or that segment.
Avneet Kaur, who is currently seen on Aladdin Naam To Suna Hoga, was recently roped in by India Forums, and here we did a fun segment with her called This or That. So without any further ado, let's begin. Book or movies?
I like both a lot, but I think right now I really like movies because 3 घंटे की होती है तो फटाफट खत्म हो जाती है. Books take a lot of time.
Animals or people?
Animals, I think I love animals. I love puppies, so that's why.
Beaches or mountains?
I am not a beach person. I think mountains. I really love mountains.
Cakes or cookies?
Cakes, I think, because cakes they have cream on it and they're so decorated and so pretty. So
Black or white?
black always, because black goes anytime.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee, I'm a coffee person, if you didn't know, because coffee keeps me awake, alive on set also, so coffee.
TV shows or web series?
Web series, definitely. I am a huge fan of TVD, Game of Thrones, a lot of series.
Online shopping or shopping in stores?
I think shopping in stores, I'm that kind of person. I like to see what I'm getting first.
Twitter or Instagram?
Instagram, as always. The thing is, I don't even know how to use Twitter much, but that's why Instagram.
Video calls or chats?
Chats, I'm not a call person at all. If you just want to talk to me, please chat. I can't pick up my calls.
Text or voice notes?
Text, definitely, because voice note me, you have to think what you have to say. So text me, you just keep typing and
Pizza or pasta?
pizza always. I'm a pizza person. Anytime if I'm angry, get me a pizza. I'm gonna be okay.
Android or iOS?
iOS, because I haven't used Android much, so I just understand iOS, I think.
Wine or beer?
What looks better to me, because I haven't tasted both, so I think wine, because it's so classy.
Plain jeans or torn jeans?
Anytime torn jeans. I'm a person who likes to experiment with the looks, so torn me you get so many things to do, and I like torn jeans more.
Winters or summers?
Summers, I think, because मुझे बहुत ठंड लगती है as a person. I feel cold all the time. But then the thing is, only if I didn't have this flaw in me, I would love to be in winters all the time.
Tom and Jerry or Shin-chan?
I have been a huge fan of Tom and Jerry since forever, but I think Shin-chan more, because he's such a cutie and I love his dialogues. So
Movies at home or movies in the theatre?
movies at home anytime. I'm a person who sits in the bed and watches Netflix when I don't have my shoot. I don't work out, don't do anything, but mostly I watch movies when I'm sitting at home. So definitely, to feel more comfortable, home is better.
Friends or How I Met Your Mother?
Definitely Friends, because I can relate to that. I have a group and I can relate to the characters and I have named a few of them to my friends as well. So I think Friends.
Yoga or gym?
Gym. I would love to learn yoga, but then I just like to work out more. So
Dress up or dress down?
dress up.
Long hair or short hair?
I think I have, as I said before, I love to experiment, so I would love to try short hair in the future. But right now, I think every girl looks pretty when she has long hair, so I'm that person who likes long hair.
Heels or flats?
Heels, definitely heels, because I have a huge collection of heels at home, and I love when you have that confidence, and it builds your confidence as I'm shut. That's why.
Kept in a cage with spiders or kept in a cage with snakes?
Oh my god, this is so terrible. I can't just imagine myself at that. Okay, definitely spiders, I think, because they are less creepier. They are creepy, but less creepier than snakes.
5-star or Dairy Milk?
5-star. I'm a 5-star person.
SUV or sedan?
SUV, I think it looks pretty cool to me, so that's why.
Water park or theme parks?
Okay, I am a person who's really scared of heights, and I think that's why I like water parks more. And there's so much to do in water parks, so I think water parks is better.
Nutella or peanut butter?
Nutella, all-time favorite. I just love to roast the bread and grill it and then put Nutella on it. That's my favorite when I'm sleepy or when I'm in the midnight. That's my snack.
Mumbai or Delhi?
My hometown, I think, because I miss it. That's why.
Perfume or mist?
I think mist because it stays a little longer than perfumes.
Platinum or gold?
Okay, platinum 100%. I'm actually thinking of getting myself a few rings. So,
Tote bags or backpack?
backpack. I'm a backpack kind of person, as I told everybody before also. It's comfortable and looks so jazzy, I think.
Singing or dancing?
Dancing 100% because that's what got me here at the first place, and I can never ever choose anything else.
Morning or night?
I'm definitely a night person. I think when I come in the morning at 7 a.m. shifts, I'm like half dead. People say that to me because I feel like a zombie. And until and unless I don't have a coffee, then I'm like, okay, now I can work. But then, जब भी 12 बजते हैं और it's midnight, I'm that person who literally dances around, and people can see the difference in me. I love to be in the night.
Domino's or Pizza Hut?
Okay, Domino's 100%. I love Domino's because they have such huge quality, and I just like the taste of it. And I've tasted it बहुत पहले से, so I know.
Waffles or pancakes?
Waffles 100%. I love Nutella waffle. That's my favorite dessert to have when I'm in the mall or somewhere. So I just always get myself a waffle. कुछ हो ना हो, waffle is there.
Pringles or Lay's?
Lay's, I'm a Lay's person. Pringles also I like, ऐसा नहीं है, but Lay's definitely.
Board games or card games?
Board games definitely. I love Monopoly and business and all this type of games. But then in card games, I like Uno. So I think board games more.
$1 million or a chance to meet all your fans?
Okay, that's no. I think I'll get the $1 million. I would love to meet all my fans because I don't get time because of these shoots and hectic schedules. So that's more important, I feel. Yes. Everybody was waiting for it. Thank you so much for the previous video. It was a huge hit, and thank you so much for loving me and the show. Keep watching Aladdin. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Avneet Kaur and you're watching me on India Forums. Do subscribe their channel and like all the videos, share it and comment down. Thank you so much.
We hope that you enjoyed this segment with Avneet. If you did, do comment and tell us. Ashima Chawla, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.